Sanjay Dutt, a noted film actor, was held under. The correct option is number A, Tada. The first woman in space was. The correct option is number A, Valentina Tereshkova. Prasad Chaurasia is a renowned player of. The correct option is number B, flute. The UNESCO's Prix Jules prize has been given to which of the following serials of Doordarshan? The correct option is number D, Turning Point. Which of the following does not contain a coinage metal? The correct option is number B, zinc and gold. 1 fathom is equal to. The correct option is number A, 6 feet. Regular meetings of Trusteeship Council are held. The correct option is number B, twice a year. Who invented gunpowder? The correct option is number C, Roger Bacon. What treat was invented by 11-year-old Frank Epperson in 1905? The correct option is number A, popsicle. The headquarter of all of the following international organizations are based at Vienna, excepted. The correct option is number C, United Nations Development Program. The lower limit of perpetual snow in mountains such as the Himalayas is termed as the. The correct option is number C, snow line. When was pottery developed in the Indus Valley? The correct option is number C, 3500 BC. The rainfall in the peninsular interior averages about. The correct option is number A, 650 mm a year. The Winter Olympics came into being in. The correct option is number B, 1924. Susi Susanti held the Grand Slam title in which of the following games? The correct option is number C, badminton. The first Indian to swim across English Channel was. The correct option is number C, Mihir Sen. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for outstanding work in the field of. The correct option is number C, literature and journalism. Who is the father of English poetry? The correct option is number C, Chaucer. Who wrote the famous book With the Pupil? The correct option is number D, Nani Palkiwala. National Science Center is located at. The correct option is number D, Delhi. The ratio of width of our national flag to its length is. The correct option is number B, 2:3. Kilohertz is a unit which measures. The correct option is number B, electromagnetic radio wave frequencies. India's integrated missile development program was started in dash under the chairmanship of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The correct option is number D, 1982 to 83. Primary rainbow is formed when light suffers. The correct option is number B. One internal refractions before emerging out of the drop. The dash is the administrative section of the computer system. The correct option is number C. Central processing unit. The polar diameter is dash to the equatorial diameter. The correct option is number C. Less. Uttar Pradesh is surrounded by dash in north. The correct option is number B. Uttarakhand. Unlike other parts of the Indian coast, fishing industry has not developed along the Saurashtra coast because the correct option is number B. Of overwhelming dependence on agriculture and animal husbandry. Which of the following is the headquarters of World Trade Organization? The correct option is number B. Geneva. The World Airlines is an international airline of The correct option is number B. United States of America.